Oh man, my mouth was open. Goddamn. Oh, why does it taste like broccoli? I don't know, y'all. She turned around. It already looked like she got lumps in her pants, man. She definitely shit her pants.
I'm gonna shake my butt and fart at the same time.
So girls fart. What's next? Y'all poop? I mean, seriously, what's next?
Krista!
Wait a minute, so girls can fart? This is something else.
Could you get any further away? Part 14.
Yeah, I might be hot, but don't get it twisted. I be taking mad dumps. Big poopies, huge stinkers, giant mud pies, and boy, oh boy, I be fartin'. Above all else, I do be fartin'.
Oh. Oh my gosh. Oh damn.
Part 26.
Yo.
What the fuck, man?
I like that way sometimes.
I can't believe I dropped my lobster on the floor, you guys. Sammy Wads, that was for you.
All I'm gonna use this. Fuck off! Hey, stop! Language. It's so annoying. That's a bad word. I don't care. You always shit your pants. It's annoying.
Yeah. I would say fuck him.
Would you? Would you say that?
Fucking get a towel.
So good and tasty.
So what do you do for a living?
I'm a tutor.
Oh, for what subject?
No.
ladies and gentlemen, this is part 35. Part 16. Do you want to go? Do you want to go?
Thanks for watching.
Gracias por ver.
Grazie per la visione.
見てくれてありがとう。
Obrigado por assistir. Merci d'avoir regardé.
感谢收看。देखने के लिए धन्यवाद.
Dank für das Ansehen.
cảm ơn đã xem. شكرا للمشاهدة.